Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to get multiple columns into one single column I mean. So I have 3 columns and I would like to merge all of those, combine all of those data into one single column. For this I will use concatenate formula, then a parenthesis, then I will select the first text that I want and then comma, then next text, then comma, and then the last text that I want, and I can add as much as I want if I have any other rows. Then I parenthesis closed and enter. Then I can see that all of those 3 columns are already combined in this column, and then I can select this row and then drag and drop to get the following result. This is one way, and another way to concatenate multiple columns into one single column is using AND sign, which is select this row and then AND, then following row and following row, and then enter. I can see the same result as before, and then select, drag and drop. I get the same result as concatenate formula 1. And third way is to concatenate is I can add free text that I want, which is like this equal sign again. Then I will select first row, then end sign, second row, then end sign again, and then again end sign, and again end sign, and then I can use free text, which is, let's say, country name Bangladesh, and then bracket close. Remember, when we add the free text, we have to add the asterisk sign before and after the text that we want to add in the row. Enter. Then I can see the free text already added, and similarly I can add or drag and drop for the next row. So now we know how to combine multiple rows into one single row or multiple column into one single column. Best way to remember all of this formula is to practice. Thank you.